Angeke ngibingelele ukubingelela baba udokotela baba sesibojabula mfana mhle ungathi ikhehla lomlungu umbani umzukulu wamancengezi mancengezi unomzukulu oyinyanga bantu bakithi this is baba udokotela baba sesibojabula mfana umhleja khona umzukulu wamancengezi angisolo futhi ngixolisa njengamanje benza le video ngisebhilidini esibiza Nedbank House Building ilapho baba udokotela enza khona lama video akhe kubaluleke kakhulu and then into esoke siphinde sichaze baba udokotela kubalekele nazi ukuthi njengenyanga mina I treat umnyanga as a business siyavala siyavula period awufiki wezinto oyithandayo lapha budokotela treat it as a business period kuphela njalo futhi itopic namhlanje esinayo ithi hotels in India amahotela ase-India bakithi this is baba udokotela voices bojaba mfana mhlanje ekhehla umzolo abancane ngiselo futhi ngixolisi uyazi mina njengendoda I have to take care impilo yamadoda compared to anyone else because without amadoda there will be no strength and stability and then we borders we need strong men. We need strong men kuma-borders. Ngalo ndlela emakhaya sidinga amadoda ngempela. Indoda ibe strong but sinalento yokuthi amadoda amaningi asechama ngepayipi. Bafake into esibiza ukuthi catheter nepipe elifaka la ngaphambili. Ngenxa ukuthi akuchameki uchama ipipe livalekile nani sinamadoda amaningi akubonakala ukuthi anempawu zokuhlaselwa i-cancer prostate yabo ivuvukele mivuvukala all we need turmeric and ginger and garlic musu uzofakani i-black pepper you understand musu ufakani i-moringa powder uzothola into esibiza ukuthi avocado seed musu uthola ke i-Sutherland efreshesini unwele so that uzokwazi ukulwa nama-tumor markers e-cancer around the prostate ngikhande lo muthi lo this is a glucofat burner. This glucofat burner, it has a leaning properties, meaning that anything that is swollen, emzimbeni wakho, I will give you this. Wherever fats accumulate, I'll give you a glucofat burner. The glucofat burner, most likely, siyisebenza kakhulu, ekunciphiseni umkhaba kubantu, esinciphiseni otako wethu kubantu, nokusiza abantu abanesifo esisibiza ukuthi lipodystrophy. Lipodystrophy umuntu onento esibiza ukuthi i-buffalo hump ngolimo olujwayelekile. Buffalo hump uba nelunda la abe nje namafutha yonke indawo nasemhlana umhlana wakho uzufuna ukuhlwana kabili mase ba negilo la that is lipodystrophy. Sisebenzisa ke lo muthi ke lona abantu kabanjalo abanye baziwe i-liposuction. Kukhona ke indawo la emhlanga it's 20,000 rand. And very few people ongaba refer khona ukuthi abawenza because this 20,000 rand is not cheap. It is money. Then lo muthi ke lona ke sosenza kakhulu azibantu ake sithi ke i-prostate yakhe yevuvukala. First thing to do ngizokunika lo muthi lo. Uma ngiqeda ukunika bese ngikunika lona sibiza ukuthi indoda enkulu. Indoda enkulu believe you me kunabantu esinabo njengamanje abangama members of parliament. Aba medical aid yabo is very good. But nanamanje prostate yabo ayikakabuyele esimeni. Bamsabisa ukuthi ufuna bomhlinzi okungcono. I can give you this. Kunabantu njengamanje abanamabhizinisi amakhulu abangakwazi ukattend emsebenzini yakhe because bafaka icatheter. Musu ufaka icatheter usifaka isikhindi. Ufuna uhlezi ufaka ibhuluku elide. Awusasifaka isikhindi. Kunabantu manje abangadoda uNkulunkulu abaphathiswa zimfihlo zezulu abangasakwazi ukuput because bachama njalo but mochama kuzwa wonke umuntu uyakhala etoilet nasi into esidingayo engisho ukuthi asingakuziba ukugula kwabantu ukugula komuntu is not an embarrassment mina ongangihlekela ukuthi umuntu ngiyagula ngingajabula ukubona ukuthi uNkulunkulu kwindalo yakhe iphelele udalene izilimi efanalisi ukugula komuntu is not a joke is not a laughing stock but wena omhlekayo umuntu omkhesayo umbeka amabala ufuna wazi ukuthi we are one of those breed adalwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi ube isiphuphuku nje le product ke le abantu abeze babudokotela basobe no 600 kodwa uma uthi cancer ke uyakhokha ke kehle uyakhokha nje it's 1600 i-cancer ngilapha nje umuntu i-cancer 1600 ngiphume kuyena ngalo ngihlupha ngayo 1600 uma ngimlapha isifo sokwa 1600 umsangano kangulaphi ngoba kusangani phela mina mhlanje nje ekhanda mina ngithathe nje njalo ngithathe nje kanhlanje sangana ngulaphi. This is Babu Dodela ake sikhulume lento le ngakhe ngizoninika imfihlo when the time is right yathanda abantu. Kunenyoka esikhandayo ekuthiwa uthanda abantu. Kunamafutha esithi mesiyibulele lenyoka sikhipha amafutha ayo. Amafutha akathanda abantu. Lana soke sisiza nje umuntu methi unale 1000 ufuna la amafutha simnike wona ke lamafutha athanda abantu. Lamafutha lawa ngwakhipha abe u4 umiphuma. I'll keep it a lot. Khipha abe u4 unike 1000 kithi hamba. Umusu uyosebenza. Umusu uyosebenza. Uthanda abantu unamafutha khona nje ngwadayisa eceleni. Akaze ngoba khulume nana ngawe indawo. Wena uye first version ukuthi uzwe ngawo. But esikhulume ngothanda abantu inyoka lena esiyakhela abantu abathi bafuna imali ezongena endlini. Kwakhiwa ngenyoka ke liyanto. Mesiwakha ke uthanda abantu uhlukene. Siyakwazi siwakhe suyeke uhlale emfuleni usebenze usemfuleni. Kodwa umuzo wakha usebenze ufuna uwakhe lapho kugeza khona abantu kakhulu. Ngobani na usukwakhela phela ukuthi uthanda abantu ufuna umuwakha uyindoda kunomuntu esikunika wona ekuthiwa unhlangothi efuna uphehle lo muntu utshela uthanda abantu ukuthi uguqula ubulili babo awube inkunzi. Uma uyinkunzi uzokwenza ukuthi labantu abakugeza lapha balalane bodwa. Njengoba uzokuthiwa abantu athi bogeza inyanga lalana kusuke engene umoya kathanda abantu ukuthi lento izwe ukuthi balalane bodwa. Ngoba nawe ufuna isende phela line wakhe yabo. Then la nyoka ke leyana ke abanye ke besizobakhela ethi mina babudodela ngiyawufuna uthanda abantu kodwa mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi indlu engihlala kuyona ngikwi estate ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngingaphinde ngibe ngakhe enye iroom eceleni. Uzowakha ke umuso ushiya lapha emfuleni ungawulandi. Ushiye lapha emfuleni ungawulandi. Yena uzokutshela ukuthi uma efuna umlethele inkukhu ufika ubulala inkukhu ijikjele khona. Kanjani na uzopretend ngathi uzogeza. Umuso unqoma inkukhu ijike kanti uyazi uzokondla isilwane sakho. Uma ethi ufuna utshwala uzopretend ngathi uyogeza uphethe ugoloko kanti umuso ushiya ibhodlela kanti wena uyazi ukuthi ukondla isilwane sakho. Lesilwane ke sizokusebenzela. Silapha yana. Sizokusebenzela silapha ya emfuleni. Uthanda abantu ke udila nemali kuphela. Uthi ioffice lemali kuphela kodwa inyoka. Uma ufuna ukuhlala naye ekhaya kulungile. Uma ufuna ukumshiya lapha emfuleni mshiya lapha emfuleni. Olwandle ngamshiyeni babudodela the answer is no. Bekwazi ukumshiya olwandle. Kufuneka umfula fresh water. Not salt water, fresh water. Inyoka ke lesakhela ke umuntu ke lento ngo20,000 bese kuthi kushaye uJanuary kuyaleke izobe siyi100,000. Sobe so100,000 bese ukuthi you understand lento le ngoba lezi zinto lezi abanye uzofona ngoJune uzayithi uno20,000 ufuntana mase ngothi akagule ekhanda la akekho serious into ku2025 sayiphele siyikhipha nje ngathi iyaphela iphela lokuka ya into engifuna ukuyikhuluma nana kunento ekufuneka sesikhuluma. Kunabantu besifazana beza kahle emhlabeni ngayo yonke indlela kodwa bathola ukuthi bayagxekwa. Uyazi according to the study of vet ithi into eyilwane eyindizayo it confuses the science even today. Why inyosi a bee could able to afford to fly? Because amaphiko enyosi they are so small it's not supposed to be able to fly. Zonke ilwane eyindizayo zinamaphiko amakhulu kunetrunk yakho nomzimba wawo because it able to carry inyoni isilwane lesindiza. But inyosi inamaphiko amancane but iyakwazi ukundiza. But imindiza iyahlonishwa. La ithi into ekhona kuyakhalwa mekuthinta inyosi. Inyosi iyahlonishwa kodwa amaphiko awo mancane. Kunezinto wena njengamanje ozenzayo. Kunezinto wena ozenzayo ezifana nenyosi. Njengamanje lento idayisayo ozama ngayo abanye abantu bayazi can never make anyone rich. But when eyakhe inhloso is not to become rich, is to survive so that your kids will have a shelter. Your kids will have better education, but you'll carry on doing what you're doing. But la ufike khona abantu baphatheka bathi useyilana ke futhi because inyosi la ithinte khona uthi umuntu kwasala udosi isimtingele. Nawe ke la ufike khona wabizwa ikhampani ukuthi mind you not to join our team and because we got a selling skills. Bayazi ukuthi uma ufika lapho bayazi ukuthi ama customer kahamba wonke nenyosi kinjalo ke. Inyosi la ithinte khona kezwakala ukuthi ithintile. Nawe into engifuna ukuthi wazi njengamanje la okhona le space okusona ungasuki because ispace okusona ispace esenele ukuthi ezakhe ingane ezolala idlile, ispace esenele ukuthi yakhe imoto izokhokhelwa, ispace esenele ukuthi amanzi nogesi azohleze ekhanya ekhona akuzovala. Kodwa qhubeka ukwenze lokho. Ezinye izinto esizenzayo kunabantu abamele eceleni nje ukuthi bayibuza ukuthi izokwenzeka yini lento. I understand, I am ubudokotela, ngizalwa ngubudokotela. Mina bengiphatha ama-box ngisuka eSalisbury Center ngangisese 11th floor ngakayi 12 go deliver ama-box eDurban station ematatela abangazi bengithuka lapha bengi-undermine bengibiza ngokuthi nokuthi kodwa because I know ukuthi into engiyiphethe into ezokwenza ukuthi one day I'll be respected, one day ngongena kwi-map, one day even Google will recognize me, one day I'll have trips to overseas, one day I'll have bookings in overseas hotels confirmed. Ngakhetha lama box. Some people they're feeling sorry for me, but today because angibhekanga ukuthi amaphiko mancane, ngabheka ukuthi umzimba mkhulu, the trunk is large, should the mindset is bigger than amaphiko. Engisho ukuthi nakuwena it's going to happen. Engifuna ukuthi ngikusho sisiwami, bhuti wami, ezinye izinto ufuna sizikhulume kanjeni. Kunabantu abayizehluleki empilweni. Kunabantu abawokhamisa ngithele empilweni. Yonke ke into oyenzayo bazoyihleka. Mina kuyihlazo ukutshela umuntu emcimbini othize mebebuza isho khamba kanjani grand ngiyangisakubona usabonakala hayi ngikhona ubambe pha hayi ngibambe la kubabudokotela wenzani kwenziwani lapha ababudokotela lo inyanga mngani namsebenzela inyanga. Can you imagine usebenzela inyanga? Yabona umsebenzi wethu okhamisa ngithele omahleze ehleko banqaka impukane bawuthatha as a joke, bawuthatha as if it's something that is pathetic, yabo. Kanti thina kunendawo lehlonishwa mengingena mina kwikhadila beza mina bebe u4 because I'm here to buy a car. Beza mina bebe u4 ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ungitshengisa imoto but basazi space sethu thina sizinyanga ukuthi sokubani. Mengingene mina ebandleni osonta wena kulona uba ungiteste, I will disturb the whole choir. Uba ungitesta nje, I will disturb the whole choir because everybody olapha kwi-choir team ujaha ukuthi akuphele leculo kwazi ukuthi azobingelela babudodela, ngeke babudodela ngambingeleli, ngeke babudodela ngashuthi nabi kodwa ngeyinyanga. Emcimbi wona wakho ngimeme kuona funa wazi ukuthi ngizodisturba yonke iroute yakhona. Onke umuntu uzofuna ukuzoxhawula uzoshutha nababudodela kodwa ngeyinyanga. Mina ngamenywa yenye inyanga engenglisha igama layo emzini wayo umuhle umzi wayo. Yo amahloni kumina ngizoyithini lento le. Idumile lenyanga. Abantu bayo bafuna ukushutha nami. Bathi ngeke emkhulu singashuthi nawe, ngeke singashuthi nawe. Engathi yabona kuyagqilaza ke lento. It's not supposed to be like this. Angifuni ukisho lo nyanga le. Izosuke iphazamiseke. Engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto ufuna ukuthi uzenze, ufuna ungabanaki razo. Ufuna ungabanaki. Ngoba you should not be embarrassed ngomsebenzi that brings bread into your table. Do not be. No. Lo kunganyazi because myself I'm low. I know where I'm low and I submit in that office because ngiyazi la I'm nothing. Without these things engizenzayo I'm nothing. Ngalo ndlela okhamisa ngithele. Laba kunabantu abangeke bakwazi ukubuka ivideo baqede bangakhomentanga kuyona because okhamisa ngithele. Hoxa abantu nje yonke into yabi wrong. Yabona the day unesikhathi sokucomment evideo nomuntu ufuna uzibona ukuthi from that day intellectual yakho ingaphansi kwakhe lo muntu. because he has produced a video that will convince you to watch it. You understand? That person is intelligent, is power. Now, he has produced a video that will watch till the end, and thereafter and go to comment that you are because you're stupid. We are in a factory of idiots. Yes. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sis Bocha. Mfana mhleja kele mzulu amancinci ngisolve futhi ngixolisa. Ake ngikhulume hotel scams. Especially thina sihamba amazwe la ngaphandle. India, Mumbai. Umulenda, they need to prove your hotel reservation. They don't make a mistake. They don't. In New Delhi, if you land, they need to confirm your reservation. Can't make that mistake. Izwe engafika kulona ngalenda bangangifuna i-reservation. IQatar ayingifunanga. IMalawi ayingifunanga. But kune scam esikhona lapha. This is what you do. You phone the hotel, you set up the reservation. Call the hotel, set up the reservation, fine. What you saw on the internet is not what you'll hear them. La internet bathi hotel lo asithi nje lo asikhuluma ulimi labo lo $500. Umusu ufona la $500 but they're all sold out. Akhona awu 600 700. Ukhala uthi ayino ngiyayeka bathi okay. Sizokunika ke ihotela room. We do have rooms that are reserved for people abeza nabantu abaningi mase abanisibanike kona. So babiza ukuthi ke ama extension rooms. Mase bethi yona ke $450. I cheaper kunalama $450. Maybe $300. Ake sije $300. Uyakunika ke offer ke le room ke. And after you push the payment. You push the payment, you do everything. Mase kutshela kathi ucela kumconfirm email address because you need to send a receipt. Akusendele i-receipt as a proof of payment. Now you got a proof of payment reservation number. You know exactly where to go. Okay, fine. Mufika ke lapha ehotela usuveza ke reservation yakho isefonini. Suveza ke reservation yakho. Angena athi can I have your passport? Unike shasha. Athi okay. See ya. I can't find this reservation. When you made a booking, when you paid, at Ashasha, a phone manager, Kaibiz, come here and this guest has got a booking here, but we cannot find his reservation. Say, how are you? Good. You look good. You look tired, yeah? Where you from? Africa? Yes, Nigeria. No, not Nigeria. Yes, South Africa. Oh, where is that? Zimbabwe. You'll be surprised. Most people, they don't know this country called South Africa. Okay, Zimbabwe. No, it's a country that... Now you start to explain yourself. It's a country that is bordering Zimbabwe and South Africa or Zambia. Because we don't have a name of this country. Then it's fine. They fool you around. And thereafter, they start to look for your reservation. They can't find the payment. They cannot find the payment. How's that? And we are desperate. And now, what to do? It is so late, you can't go anywhere, your driver has left you. You are here with 2 bags and inyawo zibhlungu inyawo. And then, but ama rooms akhona la, because it's this time of the hour. Rooms here, we only got something for $250. What? But I paid. But no, but we can't find it. Anyway, go look for another hotel. We can't check you in unless we got a proof. Bring us your phone. Who sent you this? This is not our email address. Who sent you this? Oh my goodness. What is this now? This is in Hindi. It should not be in Hindi. It should be in English as a foreigner. This is not. Who you were talking to? Who you called? Ah, my goodness. It's a scam. And now, what you need to do, okay guys, no, leave it. Don't worry. Please give me the number of the police. I need to call the police now so that I'll be arrested for fraudulent the hotel. Let me call the police. No, police for what now? No, guys, arrest me, charge me, or I charge myself. Give me the number, I need to call the police now. Help me to link to a Wi-Fi. You can't link to the Wi-Fi because we don't have a room yet. It's a scam. When you are screaming, calling the police, then you'll have a room. Then you'll have a room. Then you'll have it. That is a scam. And any room abazokunika yona, it does not have an aircon. No aircon. Bakunika the most renegated rooms. Linen is dirty. This is dirty. This is dirty. This is dirty. Know what you must do. Look for the very, very cheap hotel for $60, $80. Book there. When you land, don't go there. Tell a driver that you're looking for this kind of a hotel. Simple as that. And physically go there and pay everything there. Simple. That is how we call them. Don't book the real hotel because what you book for, you are not going to get. Especially in India. Hey! In India, you take a cab. You take a cab. You give them an address where you are going to. He's not going to take you there. He's not going to take you there. He can't find that on a GPS. He just can't find it. He will drive right around accumulating the mileage till you pay extra. Yeah. Babu Togotela is traveling to Malawi. In Malawi, it's one of the countries that are in Africa that are ranking number 3 or number 4 in poverty. Very poor. But the state does not tell us that. They also got hotels that are 4.5 stars, not 5 stars. I never say 5 star in Malawi. Even here in Durban, I can't find 5 star here. Like Bridgefront, there is no 5 star. It's 4.5 stars. 4.5 stars. This thing, not 5 stars. Not 5 stars. 4.5 stars. 4.5 stars most of the time. 3 stars, 2 stars, 0 stars. But most of the time, are just 4.5 stars, not 5 stars. In Malawi, they've got what is called Grand Palace. It is 4.5 star. Beautiful. In Africa, in a country that is so low in GDP. 4.5 star. They also got what you call Golden Peacock Hotel in Lilongwe. Golden Peacock Hotel, lo mfana la uBushiri unesonto lapho kusontelwa khona, usontele hotel. Golden Peacock Hotel. uBushiri uyadetecta lapha. Unesonto, abe ne-restaurant edayisela abantu basesontweni lakhe kuphela ukudla. Not abanye abantu. Edayisela abantu basesontweni lakhe kuphela ukudla, angazi ukuthi mnandi ukudla. Then mase ukuqhubeka mase uba nehotela lama-China ke abanye ayihlama ke vese ama-China. Mase uzoba nehotela lama-China, that is Golden Peacock Hotel. Google it. Beautiful hotel, 4.5 star. But it's in Africa. Amasinamazwe ahlupheka kanje hotel namahotela amahlanje nafuna sikubonge lokho. Sikubonge lokho. I checked on Google. There was one holiday hotel resort in Nyasuri in Mozambique. I went there. That was rubbish. On an internet, it's so beautiful. It's a 0 star, not even 1 star. 0 star. Go to India. India will beat you by far when it comes to hotels. Oh my goodness. They've got what is called JW Marriott. Google it. JW Marriott Sahar in Mumbai. My goodness. Fully 5 star. Fully 5 star. I mean fully 5 star. The buffet where people eat. They've got 3 types of cuisine. They've got Southern Indian. They've got Indian cuisine. And they've got Western cuisine. But it is fully. Rooms are large. Bathrooms, is a shower, it's a bath, it is a sauna. Oh my goodness. The rooms are large. Everything is fully functioning. What I mean fully functioning, you don't understand functioning. How does it work? Bakithi yabona amahotela la mesikhuluma ngawo. Uma ufika kule hotela kune-bar, kune-fridge, a mini fridge. Call it a bar fridge. That fridge is fully loaded. Fully loaded. Alcohol, everything that you may think of, you'll find it in that fridge. These 4.5 hotels that you're talking about here in Durban, those fridges are empty. They're just hot. Sometimes there's nothing. Sometimes there's nothing. Listen to me carefully. Don't try to be stupid here. Laphana ke kulama 5-star hotel, there is a gown that you're allowed to take it home. Because umuyishile bazoyilahla. There is a gown, nama slippers. Nje uyiqiniso bamhlophe, that is India. And thereafter, they've got, did I tell you about JWM Marriott in Mumbai? It is fully 5-star, fully 5-star. Come to, okay. Asize ngapha ke manje eMumbai ngasolwandle. Laphana khona le sithi the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. Write it down. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. Yes. Yo, that hotel. It's like a parliament. The hotel is so scary, like a parliament. It is guarded, full force. There is no way that you could not find police or soldier or somebody else there. Guarded full force. Imoto mezingena khona are screened underneath. They check everything. Okay, it's fine. But if you're a foreigner wanting to go there, to enter for a breakfast, like myself, liking breakfast, you can't enter. You must have a booking on advance and get approval from their manager. I went there wanting to enter. They asked me where I'm from South Africa. Then, do you have a booking reservation? No, can't enter. Go make a booking. And asked, they said, no, okay, book now, but wait 3 days, 4 days. Because there are so many people who are making bookings. That hotel. And then most of the people who are there are billionaires, if they're not millionaires, or thousandaires, or hundredaires, or 20-centenaires. Yeah, this is a hotel that we called the Taj Mahal. Fully 5-star. And the lela hotel, lihlukeneke. Kukhona la engakwazi ukuya khona if ubhuke ngemali engaka ukwazi ukuya kwenye indawo. Yeah. I-breakfast yakhona iti yakhona, just have a breakfast there. It's 600 rand. Ngokwase South Africa, yeah, 600 rand. In rupees there was a lot of money, but 600, we can convert rupees to rand, but 600 rand in South Africa. That is Taj Mahal Hotel. That is Babu Dot. This is Bochalo. Love you all. Goodbye. Thank you.